Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Of course, hope you're having a great, a good week. And welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. Well, we'll do a full update, all right? We'll talk about everything you need to know, at least for today. Also, slightly about tomorrow. I mean, the thing is that today I don't like we just had a ton of volume. Obviously Monday into Tuesday, and then yesterday was a relatively quiet day. We had some bullish momentum in the evening, which was good. But overall, most of the time the volume dropped down, and I expect that to continue over the course of today. Wednesday is usually a day that it's a little bit more quiet, right? The market is kind of settling in. I think momentum is a possibility, but right now we're kind of stuck here, all right? Because we obviously on Tuesday or Monday evening, or no, Tuesday night, excuse me. We had that bullish reclaim above 60,500. That was good, all right? That's a bullish breakout. That was the first one we had in a long time, and after a major dump. But right now, I mean, yesterday we tried to break above our main resistance here at like 62,200. And we actually had some nice momentum going in through that as well, but we never really managed to break that. So that means that we are stuck between, well, we just had a bullish breakout and we're gaining some bullish momentum, but we haven't had a major breakout yet. You can see on the 4-hour time frame as well, that level at 62,000 and 62,200 is quite relevant, right? And it's quite strong. So breaking above that would actually mean something. So it's not going to be easy to do that. And then apart from that, we're also kind of waiting, or at least personally I am, we're waiting for some sort of new economic data. So tomorrow we have the GDP growth rates, but also jobless claims. The results of that will matter. And then on Friday we have even more important news with the PCE price index. So that all matters because it influences the dollar strength index, and what we want to see, and which hasn't been the case so far, is a bearish dollar strength index. All right, so that's what we're waiting for. And right now that's still bullish, and historically, if that's bullish, that exerts a bit of a bearish pressure onto the markets, which is not great. But it doesn't mean we're going to be massively bearish either. But it's just something you need to know. All right, so if you look at Bitcoin right now, like I said, the situation is very, to me, it's quite clear that we are stuck between these levels, and what we ideally want to see is one of those two levels to break. So then the main question becomes, all right, well, can we expect one of those two levels to break? And I think the answer to that is quite difficult. I mean, yesterday I would have told you with the bullish momentum we had, and with the like we had some minor bullish breakouts as well. So yesterday I probably would have told you that, well, I think it's quite likely we'll get a bullish breakout here and move up to 64 and 65,000. And then if you look at Bitcoin, right here, like if we look at the order flow, what you'll see there is that yesterday we actually had some nice momentum coming in as well. Right. Oh, can I do something like this, please? So we had some nice momentum coming in here. So that was all great, but we lost a lot of that in the evening, which isn't necessarily bad. Like this is also short positions being closed, so that's not bad. But then this morning we gained some new momentum here, as you can see. And it doesn't really seem to be leading to anything, and there even is a bit of a divergence here between the price and the momentum. So right now I'm not convinced. And then if you look at the technicals, you can see a slight bearish breakout below the 50 EMA here, which seems to be respected. So I would actually say somewhat of a pullback initially here is to be expected. And then the main thing to watch, I think, is that momentum. All right, the only way we can actually get some sort of a bullish breakout and rally up to 63,500 and 64,000 is if that open interest gets some sort of an increase. All right, so keep your eyes on that. I would say like if we really have to talk about a breakout, I still think something like this is most likely due to reasons talked about yesterday, like the bottom signals we're getting. But the smartest thing to do is to wait for confirmation of this happening, which would be a breakout above 62,200. But those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.